say, going off of how all these people are dressed here, like, I think I'm a little bit underdressed. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Actually have the hostel room to myself. Like, well, people checked out already. And this is kind of the hostel room, actually, by the way. You can see this hostel here is like, this is a pretty decent hostel. Rooms, this is what you kind of want to hope for when you guys are staying in the hostel, lockers, all that kind of stuff. But I've made plenty of videos about the hostel, but just wanted to show you guys that. And now off to go explore the city today. If you guys are new around here, I'm in Bratislava, Slovakia. I just got here yesterday, still don't know too much about what's going on, but I'm really excited to go explore the city. I've talked with people this morning. People seem so nice here, and it seems like everyone here speaks English, which is like an amazing thing for an English speaker. So on that note, getting my stuff and heading out towards the there's just graffiti everywhere. Like, there's graffiti, and as I said kind of yesterday, I believe I said it yesterday, when you see graffiti, you think of kind of like, be careful, is it safe, all that kind of stuff, but it's like, there's graffiti just right next to the president's home, there's graffiti right next to the embassy, and it's safe though. Like, people walking out here, there's kids, there's moms pushing babies in strollers, it's safe, and it's like kind of normal. But for someone who comes, I guess coming from a big city where you see graffiti, it's like the bad side of town. Here, it's not that, it's just kind of like that in the town. So I kind of have like the perfect example. So this is like the president's house here, and like this is like the White House. So this is like their White House, but you can see like this is the gate to the White House, but you can see there's like just kind of like graffiti all along here, like just written on the president's house. Like literally you can walk by and just jump up and tap the window. Like it, as I was saying earlier, I'm not sure if I kept it in the vlog, but it kind of shows you that Slovakia is a very peaceful, kind of place. And I was one of the Secret Service guys actually, who just kind of walk around here. It just kind of shows you it's kind of like a peaceful place. If you can like walk right up, for me, I feel like it's automatic, shows that it's somewhat of a peaceful place. If you're allowed to just walk right up to the president's house, as I'm kind of doing right now, walking past the president's house, and it's okay, it kind of shows you it's not, at least it seems like it's not that dangerous. And it's so crazy. It's like, as I was telling you guys, it reminds me of, I don't like to compare countries to countries, but to give people perspective, you have to be able to compare it to something that you know. And it's crazy because here in the underground, there's like no people out. Like there's no people here in like the new town area. I mean, maybe it's just my timing is off or something, but there's just not a lot of people here. Everyone is just like in Old Town. Everyone just kind of chills in Old Town. Kind of the whole how it was in Latvia. I'm not comparing this place to Latvia, but so you guys have a little bit of context. So like I say, right now, making my way through Old Town, or heading towards the direction of Old Town. And actually I kind of walked to Old Town yesterday, and just kind of, as I tell you guys, you go to, I always have like, I don't have a plan, and this is why. So Old Town is that way, as I said. The embassy, all that's this way. So the river, Old Town, that way. I think I'm gonna actually walk the opposite direction, because I have a feeling Old Town is gonna be packed, and I feel like if I walk this way, it's more calm and relaxed, and I think that's what I need this afternoon. Hello. Hello. This is like a little side alley street. Wow, it's like a little mini market back here. And there's nobody. It's like I have the market to myself. Whoa. How much are socks? How much?
250.
250.
Thank you.
Dziękuję.
Dziękuję.
It's actually perfect. So if we get some no meat, I prefer no meat.
No meat?
Yeah, but something good.
I recommend for you Thai green curry or creamy mushrooms.
What has more?
It doesn't matter, yeah.
Yeah. So what do? You open the potato?
Yeah.
Really? Really? Open it and put this inside.
Open big potato and inside.
Okay. Can you?
I recommend for you.
Okay.
If you want.
All right. I trust you.
Something drink?
I trust you. Okay. No drinks. Okay, so apparently this is like a potato place, and you heard what the lady said. That's what I got: potatoes with And this place has smoothies. Thank you guys so much. You know who you are. Thank you so much for giving me the smoothie. And they just kind of brought me a smoothie. Just gave it to me.
Thank you.
Yes. Spasiba. See you later.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, bye. Oh my gosh, this food place is so good. This is the name right here. You guys are here? Definitely go and check out that place. Okay, so finally here, kind of at the entrance to Old Town. I guess you can tell because right here, and of course the classic. And all that is right here at the entranceway where everyone's kind of walking through. And now I guess gonna make my way through all of these people, but you can understand why I was telling you guys before that like everyone's in Old Town. Like you saw where I was eating, all that, there's nobody here. Every single place is packed. And I feel like it's one of those things that everybody is. I guess like they have some kind of, I have no idea what, maybe like I have no idea what this is. People are dressed a little different though. But then again, I'm guessing here in the square is the perfect time to say welcome to Bratislava, Slovakia. you can see Bratislava. It's really nice. It's really chill. You know, I honestly, on a day like today, I don't feel like just running around and doing all this kind of stuff. You know, I think that, I don't know, maybe you're a traveler like that, where you feel like you arrive in the city and you're just gonna kind of want to chill and be like a local, or maybe you're a traveler, you go and you want to do the checklist like I was talking about, I believe it was in Riga, you know. And I guess it's, for me, it's really about how I'm feeling, that energy that I'm feeling that day. If I'm feeling led, like I'm gonna go to the outskirts of the city, or I'm gonna do, I don't know, do all the touristy things, I'm gonna go on a walking tour, I'm gonna do this. I know it's important, I totally understand to know the history and all that kind of stuff, but for me, being around the people of the city, that for me is one of the best things. And I think sometimes when I'm traveling, I think more of like a local day. Like I want to do things that the locals do. So if I'm in the center of the city, it's like a local person who goes to work in the center, and that's what they do every day. And you know, here it's like, I know there's the castle, and that's just right here. That's the castle right here. That's actually where I do want to go. Maybe I'm gonna hold it off, not go today. I'm feeling really like a chill day. I'm honestly feeling really relaxed. Going through Old Town, I can see it's packed. I can see it's one of those cities where everything goes down in Old Town. Everything's happening in Old Town. So probably going to relax, maybe on the outskirts of parts of Old Town, not in the city. It's just way too much going on in the small streets. A little bit too compact for me, and it's a little bit too much attention almost. But it's a really nice city so far from what I've seen. I feel like it's more of a city you come to and you chill, you know, and I feel like that's the vibe that I'm getting. And I don't know, maybe I'm a little tired, maybe I want to do some work. I think I'm really excited, to be honest with you guys. To be completely honest, I wouldn't even say this in the vlog, I'd only say this in person to someone, but I'm really excited because I'm a little bit behind in my work. So what you guys are watching are like maybe 3 days behind in the vlog, so I still haven't edited the video from Rome, which if you watched it, I hope you enjoyed it. But I'm actually gonna edit that video. Like, I'm so excited. I'm supposed to do it tomorrow morning, but I'm so excited to do it today that I kind of want to just take a break and take a couple hours to do that, and also just kind of relax in that park and not worry about filming. It's just like kind of one of those days, you know. But I hope you guys, this gave you kind of a good picture. I'm blocking the castle. Gave you guys a kind of a good picture of Bratislava, Slovakia. It's a nice place. It's not one of those places where you come and go crazy. It's one of those really chill places where you want to speak English and speak to nice people. This seems like a good place for that. And on that note, I am gonna just chill the rest of the day, I think. Gonna be one of those days. You should be proud of me. I'm actually going to rest. So on that note, I wish you guys a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm gonna be able to read through you guys' comments, taking this break early this afternoon, and I will talk to all of you later. And everyone, always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.